Hi guys! Have you ever accidentally deleted your USB files or formatted your flash drive by mistake? Don't panic! In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted or formatted USB files easily using Syncios D-Savior. Before you rush into recovery, there are some critical tips you should know. Make sure to get your data back safely. First, stop using the hard drive immediately. Any new data written on it might overwrite your lost files and make them unrecoverable. Second, make sure the drive is properly connected. Third, never reinstall the operating system or reformat the hard drive unless you've recovered your data. Fourth, choose trusted data recovery software that supports your device type and file formats. And 5, always restore recovered files to a different drive or partition to avoid overwriting other lost data. Let's see how to do it easily. Step 1. Connect your USB drive to your computer. Once it's detected, open Syncios D-Savior. Then find your USB drive from the list, select it, and click Scan Now. It will automatically begin scanning for deleted and formatted files. After the scan, you can browse your files by catalog or by type. This makes it easy to locate exactly what you need. Select the files you want to recover, or just click Select All. Then hit Recover Now. How long it takes depends on the partition size and data complexity. And that's it! The deleted files are successfully restored now. Syncios D-Savior isn't just for USB recovery, it also works on hard drives, SSDs, SD cards, cameras, and more. From accidental deletion to formatting or even system crashes, it can bring back over 1,000 file types, with deep scan and real-time preview to make recovery simple and accurate. And right now, it's available at a special discount. Don't miss this chance to get powerful data recovery at an unbeatable price. Try Syncios D-Savior today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.